What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kirsty Petrie. I'm so excited to bring you this one and done protective style featuring RastAfri Braid Highlight Jumbo in the color 3T1B3613. You guys already know I've messed with RastAfri all day, so let's get right into it. First things first, you want to start on a fresh, clean base, blow-dried hair. You want to get your comb and make a side part nice and crisp. Then you want to detangle that hair. Just make sure everything is smooth. Brush it back into a ponytail. Now, you don't want the ponytail to be too low. You do want the ponytail to be at pretty much just at the back of your head. You don't want it extremely low. Once you've got everything brushed and everything super neat, you're going to go ahead and get your styling product to keep your hair in place. I'm using Eco Styler Flaxseed Gel, and yes, that is how much I used. I literally plastered this on my head because I do have short pieces, and because my hair was going into a little bit of a lower ponytail, I didn't want to risk some of my hair sticking out, so I put more Eco Styler on than I actually intended to, but it actually worked out in the end because the ponytail was slick. Once your hair has your gel on it, take your bristle brush and you're just going to smooth it all the way down. Now, you do not have to slay your edges in the way that I'm about to do right now, but I just thought that it would make the look a little less simple. And I love the way that it turned out in the end. Super cute. So when you're brushing your hair, just make sure everything is brushed down. No lumps, no bumps, flyaways, or anything like that. And if you do, just go ahead, grab some extra gel or beeswax to help lay that hair down. Now next, I'm taking my hand, and your hand always reinforces whatever you smooth down. Take your rubber band or scrunchie, and you're going to secure that little ponytail to the back of your head. Remember, not too low, not too high. Once it's all secured, you're going to go ahead and get your braiding hair. Okay, so this is another way to attach the ponytail on your head without, using a rubber band. Not much tension. You're going to take the hair, you're going to hook it onto each other to give yourself those 3 legs. If you guys want an in-depth video on that, I can provide that. Just comment down below. Okay, pretty much this is one big box braid. So you're going to take your 3 separate pieces, get one of them, and secure it onto that ponytail. I do not have much hair here, so I was able to camouflage my hair into the braid. Now, once your hair is into that braid, you want to go ahead and start making your braid movements. That was like the second one. This is the third. And you want to pretty much just keep creating one big individual, one big box braid. Think of it that way. Now, you just have to use a lot more fingers than you normally would when you do box braids, but no worries, that's why you have combs, that's why you have fingernails, to separate things and keep moving along. Now, I mentioned a comb because for my hair, it's very short and it's curly at the end, so I'm taking that rat tail to smooth down my real hair to make sure it blends seamlessly into this braiding hair. One of the things I love about this Highlight Jumbo braiding hair from RastAfri Braid is that it blends with my hair regardless of my hair being a little silky. But it also blends with kinkier, coarser textures as well. So you just have to find the right method of installing the hair. If you don't want a super silky, shiny look on your real hair, don't use as much gel. Use beeswax. And then put a scarf on and maybe lay your hair down for about 20 minutes and just let it set and be molded, and then add your braid afterwards. Now, I'm just working my way down this braid, but you guys, this part you really want to, be cautious when you're braiding down. Don't let any hairs stick out. As you can see, I'm raking my fingers through each time I make my braid movement, or I'm using my comb, as you just saw. And that's because I want my braid to look sleek, natural, and really neat. If you guys want more tips on how to get a neat box braid or a neat feed-in, comment down below because we can get that situated. Okay guys, we are almost at the end of the braid. Once you get to the end, keep staying neat as you can. Once you get to the end of the braid, you want to get a rubber band and you want to secure that braid. I did not dip this braid because I actually want to reuse this hair for another braid style later on. But for the sake of this video, I'm just showing you guys that you can achieve a super simple protective style with 2 packets of hair, some hair gel, brush, comb, and simple braid techniques. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment on this video. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I want you to be a part of the Petrie fam. All right? Stay channeling the beauty that's within inside of you. I'm out.